180 degrees. So each angle of a triangle is equals to one another. So find out all the three angles. Let's recall. If each angle of a triangle is equals to one another, we need to find out all the angles of triangle. So we know the property, sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, and here it is given that one angle is equals to one another. So that means all the three angles are equal here. Let's take all the three angles equals to x degrees. So x, and x all are equal. So we have taken each angle is equals to x. Each angle bx. So we have taken as x. So let's substitute this property, that is angle A is x, angle B is also x, and angle C is also x, is equal to 180 degrees. And when we add all the three angles of triangle, so x plus x plus x is 3x, 3x degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So 3x is equals to 180 degrees, and using the rule of transposition, we get x is equals to 180 degrees by 3. So x is equals to 60 degrees. So each angle of a triangle is 60 degrees. It's an equiangular triangle, that is angle A is equals to angle B is equals to angle C is equals to x, that is 60 degrees. So let's go to the next concept. Discussed that equiangular triangle, that is each angle of a triangle is equals to 60 degrees. We have discussed ABC, each interior angle of a triangle. That is, up to now we have discussed about the interior angles of triangles only, but we say that angles of triangle is nothing but the interior angles of triangle only. So we have taken triangle ABC, and sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, as we know. And as we discussed earlier, this equiangular triangle is nothing but each angle is equals to one another. That means all the three angles of triangle are equal. So 60 degrees and 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So let's take all the three sides and extend that sides. Let us produce these sides. This is extended. Let us extend AC, and AB also we have extended. So we have taken triangle ABC and we produce that all the three sides of triangle, that is BC and AC and AB, we have extended them, extended the lines or the sides of triangle, and whatever the angles are formed, let's find out the angles what we got here, exterior angles of triangle. And up to now we have discussed, previously we have discussed, sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees, and now we are going to find out the sum of exterior angles of a triangle. So to get an exterior angle of a triangle, so we have extended the sides of a triangle. So BC, and an exterior angle is formed here. This is an exterior angle of a triangle. This is an exterior angle of a triangle. This is also an exterior angle of a triangle. So let's take some of the names here at the ray. So one of the rays formed. So P, Q, and R. So to find out this P, Q, R, to find out this an exterior angles, so we use a linear pair, or the property of linear pair, because So linear pair is nothing but the two angles are formed with the same vertex, a common vertex and one common arm, and we call it as a linear pair. Two angles are having the same vertex, that is common vertex, and common arm, we call them their linear pair, and sum of the two angles on the straight line they form. So the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees. So let's take that two angles here. When we take this side, so the two angles are formed, that is ACB and ACQ. ACB and ACQ. Let's draw the two angles here separately. So ACB is AC and B side, and ACP, ACB and ACP. So the two angles are formed here. We know what the angle is given here, that is 60 degrees. Then either side angle we need to find out. This is an angle either side, and as just now we have discussed about the linear pair, the two angles are having this common vertex C and common arm AC. Common vertex is C and C is a common vertex for these two angles, and common arm is AC. This angle AC is present and this angle AC is present. For both angles AC is present. So when we add these two angles, we'll be getting 180 degrees. As we know here 60 degrees, and then we'll be getting obviously 120 degrees. So let's write this 120 here. As we know, we got 120 because the sum of these two angles will form 180 degrees. So by using the same concept, so let's write this 120 and use the same concept and find out this angle, this exterior angle. We get again 120 degrees because there is a 60 degrees here, and we use the same concept. We get 120 degrees here, and now we can find out all the sum of the angles of sum of the exterior angles of a triangle. So let's find out. So sum of three exterior angles of triangle ADC are angle ACP, angle ACP plus angle C, angle BAQ plus angle CBR. Let's recall. We are going to find out the sum of three exterior angles of a triangle, that is angle ACP, ACP and exterior angle BAQ, angle CBR. So angle CBR, let's find out. Angle ACP is 120 degrees as we know, and this is BAQ also 120. CBR is also 120 degrees. So when we add these all the three angles, we'll be getting 360 degrees. So what we understood, the sum of exterior angles of the triangle is 360 degrees. So let's go to the next concept. As we discussed earlier, that is sum of exterior angle of a triangle is equals to 360 degrees. Now let's discuss about the next property, that is an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles of a triangle. Let's take an example with a triangle. In a triangle, we take one exterior angle of it, an exterior angle of it. Let's take the same example here. Triangle ABC with one of the exterior side, one of the exterior angle we have taken this, that is ABC. ABC is a triangle, and an exterior angle is formed here is 120 degrees. Is equals to, we have taken for example one of the part of this one, that is let's take the triangle and one of the exterior angle of this triangle, that is triangle ABC we have taken, and exterior angle of this triangle is 120 degrees. Let's take its interior angles to the opposite side of it, and exterior angle we have taken and interior angle which is opposite, which is not adjacent, and that are opposite we call. So adjacent, which is opposite to this exterior angle, is nothing but angle A and angle B, because angle C is adjacent to the exterior angle of this triangle, so we will not consider this one. So this angle A and angle B are opposite to that, opposite to this triangle. Angle which is exterior angle is on 120 degrees. So what we have taken here, an exterior angle of a triangle, exterior angle of this triangle is equals to interior opposite. It's not adjacent, that is nothing but opposite. Interior opposite, interior opposite angle plus interior opposite angle opposite angle and plus interior opposite angle. So an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to interior opposite angle plus interior opposite angle. So the sum of two interior opposite angles. So we need to find out. So we know that this two sum of opposite angles are given here, 60 degrees and 60 degrees. So let's see, by the observation of this figure we can understand very easily. Exterior angle of a triangle is 120 degrees is equals to is nothing but interior opposite 60 plus interior opposite 60. So the both are equal. 120 degrees is equals to 120 degrees. So what we understood from this is an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles of that particular triangle. So we use the same property here. If you take this exterior angle 120 degrees and let's take out the adjacent angles, then opposite angles are here 60 plus 60, and for this exterior angle we have taken, and then 60 plus 60 is equal to 120. Let's take an example, another example on this concept, that is an exterior angle of triangle is given here. An exterior angle of a triangle is given, and one of the interior angle of a triangle is 50 degrees, and angle P is X. We don't know. We need to find out angle P, and this is Q, and angle PQR is Y. We need to find out. So we don't know that two angles. We need to find out X and Y. Let's recall. In this picture, an exterior angle of a triangle and one of the interior angle of a triangle is given. We need to find out and another interior two angles. So that is angle P and angle PQR. The two interior angles we need to find out. That are nothing but. So let's use one of the concept here. That is, if we use the exterior angle property, exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles, that is 100 is equals to x plus 50, and in that method we can find out the value of x. So let's write exterior angle of a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles, interior opposite angle plus interior opposite angle. So exterior angle is here, that is 100 degrees. So let's write 100. Interior opposite, this is interior, exterior, and this is beside adjacent. So exterior angle is equals to interior opposite angle, that is x and 50. So x plus 50. This is an intercept to exterior angle, so we will not consider this one. And this is opposite and this is opposite to this exterior. That's the reason we have taken this x plus 50. So x plus 50, let's find out the value of x using the transposition rule. X minus 50 degrees is equals to x. So x is equals to 50 degrees. We got the value of x is 50 degrees. So we need to find out the value of y also. So as we know, sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. That is, if we observe x plus y plus 50 is equals to 180 degrees. It becomes, that is, let's write here, x plus y plus 50 is equals to 180 degrees, because sum of the angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. As we know that x value of x is 50 degrees, let's write the value of x is 50 degrees. So 50 degrees plus y plus 50 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. So y plus 100 is equals to 180 degrees. So y is equals to 180 degrees minus 100. So y is equals to 80 degrees. So the value of y is 80 degrees and the value of x is 50 degrees. In this manner, we use the concept of sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees and an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to a sum of interior opposite angles.